So we are making progress. In this video, I'll be talking about how to now link the ebook that we have uploaded, whether it's an ebook, whether it's a video that we have now uploaded to our Google Drive. In the last video, I talked about uploading the ebook or video to our Google Drive, and I showed us how to accomplish that. So in this video, we are taking the next step after we have uploaded the ebook or video to Google Drive. So the next step here is to log into your CPA Grip account. Okay, I expect that we've all been accepted to CPA Grip. Okay, so once you get to your CPA Grip account, you are going here, monetization tools, then you click on URL/file locker. Okay, so what we are trying to do here is the ebook is already available on our Google Drive, but we want to lock that ebook or video. We want to lock it. Don't forget, each material you have on your Google Drive has a URL. So what you want to do is to lock it. The goal is that when we lock it and we list it on some platforms that I'll be showing us. Now, many people will be interested in reading that ebook or watching that video because you said it is free. They will want to watch it. So what we want to do is we will lock the URL of that ebook. So for you to have access to this URL, because we've logged it with a content locker from CPA Grip, for example, that means when you click download, when the person that wants to have access to the ebook or video clicks download, CPA Grip will tell that person to complete this offer first. So once the person completes that offer, the person has access to download the ebook or video. That's the plan. Now, once the person completes the offer, you get paid. He gets his ebook. That's it. If we do not lock the ebook and we just post it on those platforms, people will just be downloading it for free and we won't make anything out of it. So to them, it's coming to them free and they're actually getting it for free. But we need to put a file locker or a URL locker. It could also be a content locker. We need to put a locker on the ebook or video so that they have to complete an offer before they can have access to it. That's actually our plan. So you just click on this, create new URL/file locker, and you click I agree to the terms of service. Then you click continue. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So the person will complete a survey below to continue, then he clicks download. But you see, we can edit anything here. Okay. So we can change this begin download. We can change it. We can change it to, we can change that. Then this one that says complete an offer below to continue. You can leave it the way it is. Okay. Then if I scroll down here, it's going to tell me logged URL. This is the URL you actually want to lock. Okay. So for example, if you see this, it says complete a survey below to continue. That's what is written here. So I can say complete an offer below to continue. Then it says get access now. After completion, this resource will be unlocked. Okay, now it's showing you show offers. Now, if I click this, it says select the number of offers to display. It says ideal number is 3. So we will leave it as 3. That means the person has to complete at least 3 offers for them to have access to the ebook or video that they want to watch. Okay. Now, logged URL is where we will now have to go and copy the URL of the material that we have already uploaded to our Google Drive. So I go to my Google Drive. So let me say this is the material that I want to give to people for free. This material itself, let's say this is the one I want to give to people for free. Like you have uploaded yours. It could be a video like this one. It could be a material like this that I've put in a folder, or it could be just one like this one, which is just a single file. These ones here are folders that have different videos or materials in it. Now, let's say what you've uploaded is just a single ebook or a video like this one. Just right click and you will see the share button. So if I click share, okay, so once you do that, you are going to see this. Get link. Anyone on the internet with this link can view. So I click on change. Then I copy link. You copy the link. That means the link has been copied. Then I now come here and I put the link here now. And I paste it. So once that person completes the offer, automatically he's going to have access to that file to download it. Okay. Then the access time. Do I want the person to keep coming back to have access to this? I'm going to leave this as 24 hours. Okay. So this one says after completion, this resource will be unlocked. This is the same thing here. Okay. So you can change this to say after completing So after completing the listed offers, you have automatic access to the material for free. Now, if I scroll down here, they've done it in such a way that the person also sees comments by other users. Okay, they're supposed to be like reviews by other users. Okay, so it means that the person will see this, the name. Okay, so once the name is showing new URL / file locker, you can always edit that. You can always change this name to show the name of the file. So let's say the name of the file I'm showing here is okay. So let's say that's the name of the file that I have that people want to have access to. Okay. So once you've done that, that means when the person comes here, this is what the person will see. Okay, so you must do this properly, especially this part. This is the most important part, the logged URL that you logged here. And I've told us how to get it easily. Okay, so let's say this is the material again. This is the material. You right click on the material, you click share. Okay, then you come here, you click this one, you copy link. So link is copied. Then you go here and insert it here, log the URL. That means the person cannot have access to this material until he or she completes the offer. Don't forget, people want this material, that's why they came here. And since they are not paying for it, it doesn't cost them anything to complete those offers. Once they complete the offer, they have access to the ebook or video, and you get paid for the offers that they have completed. That's how it works. That's how it works. Okay. So I then click, after I've completed all of this, you've given it the name, you can change this, you complete an offer below to continue, you've inserted the logged URL, whatever you want to do. Font size doesn't matter, you can change the font size, it doesn't really matter. So after you've done all that, just click create. You can refresh preview, it doesn't really matter. So once I click create now, okay, so you see, the file has been created. So I then click get links. Okay, so normally what we advise people to, you see, like this one now is here. Now, what I will want to do is select this one that is uppermost. Okay, so that is the file. You can also customize the URL. You can customize the URL like this one now. You can customize the URL and put your name. You can do anything, but don't let us do all of that. Just leave it the way it is. Okay. Okay, so that is the URL there. But you see something, many of the sites we want to be using already know about these things. So I don't want to post this directly. I don't want to post this directly. Okay, so I can copy this. I just copy this. Okay, then I will go here, bit.ly.com. It's loading. The process is straightforward. Once you get a material that people are interested in, all you have to do is lock that material with an offer. Once you lock the material with an offer, that is how it works. Okay, so once I get here, Bitly, you need to create an account here. Okay, it's just like opening an email. You create an account. Once you have created an account, you will have something like this. This is the interface you'll be seeing. So I've already copied the link. So I just click create. Then it's going to tell me to paste that long URL. So I pasted it here. Then I click create here. So it has created a link for me now. This is the link it has created. So I just copy this link now. So I can save it. So the link has been created for me. So that's all I want us to do in this video. Take it step by step like that. Create the link. Okay, I'll be showing us another method of how to monetize the ebook or video that we have uploaded. So in this video, I've shown us how to link the ebook URL and create a file locker for it, which is what we've just done in this video. So I want you to complete that before we then move on to where we'll be pasting the link that we just created with Bitly. So anytime I come to Bitly now, since I've saved this, anytime I log into Bitly, I can just come here and copy the code and copy the link. That's it. Okay. So that's it for this video. I'll see you again in the next video.